and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel and blog. Today I'm going to have the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp exclusive Valentine's kit. I finally got it and I'm excited to see all the goodies in it. Oop, that's too big for the bag. Alright, so first off we've got all these cute little stickers. And these are really thick stickers too, so they're very nice. A lot of cute little things like the fruit. And the llamas are hilarious. So a lot of cute things to do with that. Okay, now let's see what all is in the bag. Okay, we got some striped grosgrain ribbon. Those are very pretty colors. We've got these little mini cards. Envelopes. Mini envelopes. I'm sorry, not mini cards, mini envelopes. Looks like we got 3 in Schoolhouse Red, 3 in Doll Pink, 3 in Cream, and that's a linen, and 3 in Ivory, and that's linen as well. And then we've got a couple of these window envelopes. So those are fun. Okay, and we've got a roll of Marquee Love glitter tape by Heidi Swap in Reuben, so that's a nice dark red. So that's pretty. Go ahead and open this so we can see the color better. There we go. I can see the color. That's really pretty. Very sparkly. Very pretty. Okay. Oh, and some fun Doodlebug sprinkles. Breakfast buddies and time for takeout. And I was just looking at the Simon Says new release Love, and these coordinates with and this included one of the stamp sets. There's another stamp set, so this coordinates with this stamp set, but there's another stamp set that coordinates with these sprinkles, and they're totally adorable too. But this one says, they've got cute little tomatoes with faces on them. It says, "I love you from my head to my tomatoes. You've stolen the pizza of my heart. I love you to pieces. All of you." We got a hello, it's the little olives. "You soda make my heart pop. You're so delightful. Hey, hot stuff. You're not my typical or typical, and I love you that way." To go with the typewriter. So really cute stuff. I said these coordinate well with that, and these coordinate with the other one in the release. Here are the little cards to go with the little envelopes. And these are, I believe, rub-ons. Yes, you get the popsicle stick to go with them. These are gold rub-ons, so we'll have to play with these, but I've seen them in some examples, and they're really pretty, so we'll have to play with those. And they are kicking it old school with brads. I love adding a brad sometimes to my cards, and brads aren't used a whole lot anymore, but I think they should be. They're cute. Those pretty shiny red and shiny gold hearts. Or wait a minute, maybe they're all gold. I mean all red. The way it looked, because the bottom sides are gold, I thought there were some gold ones too, but looks like they're all red. They're very pretty. Okay, we've got some treat bags. sure what this kind of envelope is called, but cool. And then we've got some pattern paper. This kind of looks like Pebbles. Yeah, I think I recognize that. I think that's Pebbles. Usually there's a sheet that says what everything is, but I don't see it. Okay, Mini Love Notes by Doodlebug. Oh, so little bitty tiny envelopes and some hearts, little postages, and then these little love notes. That's cute. And cute embellishment for a front of a card or something like that. I think this is for 6x6 cards, and then some cardstock, and this appears to be Simon's White, and that looks like Nina Desert Storm, and then Cotton Candy, Doll Pink, and Schoolhouse Red. So, lots of fun stuff for making more Valentine cards, treat bags, and then some fun punny stuff with food, and for making little love notes, big love notes, brads, ribbon, and some glitter tape. Oh, and a Jelly Roll pen, a Sakura Jelly Roll pen. I think this is just white. Yeah, it's just white. So, awesome goodies. Can't wait to get started making some stuff with these. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.